Yo, what's going on, guys? Just a quick update to this trade. I was supposed to do an update in the chat tonight, do some live trading, but didn't really get that done. So I'm gonna do it here, have it here, and also post it on YouTube as well. Alright, so still in this trade of Bitcoin from around 43k. Now, really, I'm just looking at this market structure. I've got to take some profits here at target one. Markets come down a bit. So yeah, 1% got taken off here, as I did add on a little bit on, I think it was this dip somewhere around here. So yeah, now I'm looking for a bit higher for this market structure to continue. We got higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, if I was to targets here, if I was to draw the fib from, I think it's this swing low to this swing high, I think it's somewhere around here. But yeah, we got a wick through this level here, and I think that's roughly where I added a bit more. So I got 60, around 2/3 of my position was taken off at 43.5k from the total from when I added, and then I added I doubled my position when we came back down around 43k. My entry price now is 43k. So yeah, market's not looking too good right now, to be fair. But so long as these lows hold down here, market structure for me, in terms of bullish market structure, still holds. So I am still expecting lower down to 40k, but I do think we can get up to the mid 44ks before that happens. Yeah, basically just fill this area, get some cleaner market structure before we get a new low. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. I think at this point now, if I do get taken out, I think I'll lose, let me just check. So 50% of my position here, 50% of my position will be sold at 42,900. Actually, no, sorry. Roughly a quarter of my position will be sold at 42,900, which would be 42,900, quarter of my position is 13 cents. I'm just gonna make sure all these orders are correct. So my take profit at 4,400 is fine. Take profits at 4,400 is fine. So I've actually got 50% coming off at 4,900, which would then make it around 26 cents. I'll post all these screenshots in the chat. 4,900, 50%. Right now I was looking at 27, and then the rest coming off at what we got, 42,400, which is 127. So roughly about 1% actual loss from here. And if we sell everything at 44,400, we've got the same 272. So really looking at 1-to-1 risk to reward here, which isn't the best trade. So if I stay up for any longer, what I might try to do is look to add. But we've already made our profit. We've already made our 1%. So what happens now is if we get taken out of this trade, we're looking at losing those losses and being back on the account for a 2%. So we're currently at 3% profit. We'll be back down to 2% if this goes against us. If we do hit 42, around 42,500, 42,400, and the lows are broken, then we might need to start looking at trades towards this trend line here, just the extreme of this range, this channel. If I go up, I think it was 4 hour I drew it on. Yeah, just looking at this trend. Let's get rid of all of these drawings. Let's get rid of that because I've already posted that in the thing. Let's get rid of the long position and the fib. Where's the other fib? The other fib is here. Let's actually delete that. Yeah, so get rid of the arrow as well. I don't know what it's doing here. Yeah, so I'm looking at somewhere around here for price to come down to. We can look at the weekly lows on the weekly chart. We can then start looking at maybe price filling this area around here. Weekly looks bearish, so I wouldn't expect too much to happen. I would really like to see this happen before the weekend because we are looking bearish, and the way we're pushing down here, I would expect next week to continue this movement down. So yeah, I think there's no case for me right now to have a wider stops into this level. December lows is where I want to have my invalidation for this trade. So yeah, that's the update. I'll post on YouTube as well, just to keep the content consistent, man. Consistency is key this year. Let's get it. Thank you for anyone who watches this. Appreciate you. And let's get it. Any questions, just shoot me a DM or ask in the chat.